Hey, I'm Cameron McKenzie. I'm the editor-in-chief over at theserverside.com, and you can follow me on Twitter at CameronMCNZ if you are so inclined. But right now I want to talk to you about how you go about deleting a GitHub repository, and specifically deleting it from the GitHub server. And by the way, it's not that hard. Just go to Settings and then find the Delete a Repository choice at the bottom. But there are implications to doing that, and one of the implications is once you delete it, people that have the repository on their local machines won't be able to push to it anymore. Now, again, when you delete the repository from GitHub, it doesn't delete it from all of the client machines. So this is a GitHub delete only. If you want to delete it from the client machines, you got to go to those client machines and delete the folder. Now here's my GitHub account. You can see github.com/CameronMCNZ, also my Twitter handle. And I've got this GitHub Made Easy project that I created, just moments ago. Actually, you can even see here I've gone in and I've cloned it. You can even see the git status on my local machine. I'm on branch master, all the different files there. So yeah, I mean, I've got this GitHub repository named GitHub Made Easy. I don't want to delete it. So how do you go about doing that? So once again, you go to your list of repositories, you find the repository that you want to remove, you click on it, and then there's this option for settings up here. So hammer on the settings, and when you scroll right down to the bottom, you'll see there's this option to delete the repository. So that's what you were looking for. I mean, if you're just wondering how do you delete it, that's it there. You click the delete this repository, and then you got to type in the name of the repository because, I mean, you can do a little bit of damage by deleting a repository on Git. Now, in a distributed version control system, everybody theoretically has a full copy of the repository, but still, you don't want to delete your repository if you don't mean to. So you got to confirm by typing the whole name in. I just did a copy and paste there because I'm lazy. But yeah, I understand the consequences of deleting this repository. So I'm going to click the big red button. And all of a sudden, my repository is gone. And if I take a look over at Cameron MCNZ, see my repositories, look for it. Yeah, it's definitely gone. I don't have the GitHub Made Easy repository. Now, here's the funny thing. If I go over to my client application, the client application, my local machine, the terminal where I cloned to, it's still got that Git Made Easy project. If I do a ls-a, you can still see that got that .git folder, and I've still got everything right here locally. So you can delete the Git repository on the GitHub server, but that doesn't delete it everywhere. So some people have to go to their local machines and delete it on their machines as well. Just delete the folder. But certainly if I was to try and push, so I could do a touch delete.html, git add git commit -m. Always do a good commit message, and then I try to do a git push to origin. After I put in my username and password, I'm going to get this fatal error. Hey, this repository is not found. And of course, it shouldn't be found because I just deleted it. And of course, that was the whole goal of this tutorial. And there you go. That's how easy it is to delete a GitHub repository. Now, by the way, if you want to learn more about Git, GitHub, DevOps, and server-side development, I'm the editor-in-chief at theserverside.com. So head over there and check out what we're writing about. And if you want to follow some of my antics, you can follow me on Twitter. My handle @CameronMCNZ.